Welcome to the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4 in sterling metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Acadia, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual zone climate control, push to start ignition, button controlled shifter, all-wheel drive toggle is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Acadia, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Continental Terrain contact tires. Moving right along, paint matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, blacked out mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. And around the back of the vehicle, chrome exhaust tips, chrome Acadian AT4 badge, GMC badge on GM's multi-stage hatch. Heading back inside the Acadia, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing plenty of access to your third row. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle. And here in the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, as well as 2 USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.